Welcome back to Single at 40. We're rolling deep tonight. The whole crew's out, and you already know what that means. Bar hopping shenanigans in full effect. As we leave Onana Bar, the question is where to next? If you know us, it's a no-brainer. Genesis and Club Sky. Let's go. Genesis Bar, our usual spot, and yeah, it never disappoints. Cold drinks, good music, and the party starts fast.
From the ground we rose, now the city knows. Lights on us, fall can't be but a soul. Fast life, no lows, highs we chose. Now we can't let them know, let them know. We don't stop now, we don't fold. Go all night, yeah, we don't go. Into the sky, let them know. We run the what, we run the show. I feel alive right now, it's mine, it's time to let it shine. No more disguise, I paid the price, I'm going overdrive. Fire in my eyes, I cut my ties, no time to compromise. Feel my desires, I'm just molding into my design. I like getting to it, then I like dipping off. I don't overwork, if the pay don't talk. I see bridges burn, I see winners fall. I've been up and down like some seesaw. From the ground we rose, now the city knows. Lights on us, fall can't be but a soul. Fast life, no lows, highs we chose. Now we can't let them know, let them know. We don't stop now, we don't fold. Go all night, yeah, we don't go. Into the sky, let them know. We run the what, we run the show. And it could hee-haw, giddy up. Need a couple $1,000,000. Need another house or home. Slow things down, but speeding up. Half a decade in a rush. Never felt I was enough. Had the view outside the box, mountaintops. If they doubt, then let them doubt. Watch me go and prove wrong. Chose to go and beat the odds. Since day one, I set the tone. Me, I could've been a stat. Teenage dad, really though. In the ring like Mike and Manny. Round for round, let them know. I ain't falling behind, I'm just moving with grace. Took the long way home, now I value the pace. Marathon type of race, like a stallion out the gates. No Kentucky Derby, them horses churning when I drop the clutch and skate. In my own lane with no brakes. Married man, I don't date. Need one woman, a real one. Got one standing right in my rank. If I'm a sergeant and she a sergeant, we right side by side in that tank. Been through the battles, wars, battles, wars. Still steady, strongness on we. From the ground we rose, now the city knows. Lights on us, still can't be but a soul. Fast life, no lows, highs we chose. Now we can't let them know, let them know. We don't stop now, we don't fold. Go all night, yeah, we don't go. Into the sky, let them know. We run the what, we run the show.
Next, we hit Club Sky, another no-brainer. If you know the channel, you already know. This place is where nights go from zero to insane.
Sky is dripping gold and wrapping around me. Life can be so wonderful, warm and gentle light. Nothing's gonna bring me down, I'm feeling so divine. Life can be so wonderful, warm and gentle light. Nothing's gonna bring me down, I'm feeling so divine.
Feeling divine, I'm feeling the vibes. I feel like it's more than just a feeling, what we could define. Let's break through the ceiling, see what limits that we could defy. Cause I could do anything I want, it's for me to decide. Bring you up to speed, take the wheel, let you drive. It's alright on a dark road, let the fire in us be the light. Day and night, yeah, we only seem to free our mind at night. That's just life, that's just how we pay the price.
I woke up sky is dripping gold and wrapping around me. Life can be so wonderful, warm and gentle light. Nothing's gonna bring me down. I'm feeling so divine.
Hey, yeah, y'all will never bring me down. Y'all will never bring me down. I feel like a king right now. I feel like a king right now. I zone out when it get too loud, but I'm still locked in, getting lost and found. Y'all will never bring me down. I feel like a king right now.
Go on and take my eyes, you're all I can see. I love to let you have your way with me. Go on and take my eyes. Go on and take my eyes. I love to let you have your way with me. Life can be so wonderful, warm and gentle light. Nothing's gonna bring me down. I'm feeling so divine.
Until next time, stay wild, stay grateful, and keep the good times flowing. Hope you enjoyed this video.